What's up guys? Welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, here at the Sunnyvale Skatepark. And after 20 years of teaching skateboarding, I'm going to teach you guys blunt variations to help you build confidence and a better understanding of how they work. Check it out. The skill level for these tricks is intermediate and advanced. And the risk level for these tricks is medium to high. For this lesson, it helps if you can skate comfortably. Ollie. Manual. Drop in. Rock to fakie. Skate a mini ramp. And knee slide. If you don't know how to do any of these, please refer back to my other videos on this channel to catch up. Here are the things you guys should do. Wear quality pads and a helmet for additional confidence and safety. Practice your blunt nose grab hop out or pop out on a parking stopper first. Reflect on how you messed up or bailed, especially after a slam, so you can learn from it and make the proper adjustments. Practice these tricks enough to build your own creative combinations and style. I hope you find Skatepark lessons to be helpful. Please click that like and subscribe button and hit the bell so you know when a new video comes out every week. The first thing I'm going to help you with is understanding how to pop in, balance, and pop out of a blunt and why. For this, we're going to take to the streets to find ourselves an often overlooked but fun obstacle to skate and learn on. This object is a nice basic parking stopper. They're usually located in almost any parking lot around, like this one right here. Parking stoppers allow you to balance and pivot on top to recreate a similar feeling of coping on a spine ramp or quarter pipe. Not all parking stoppers are made the same, but almost all of them allow you to pivot on top and practice new tricks. This will provide a great opportunity to practice your lock-in, balance point, increase your pop rhythm speed, and build confidence. Your goal is to learn how to land into your blunt with your knees bent by controlling your pump up power and bending down as you lock in and quickly popping out, so you can build consistency in your lock-in pop-out combination. For consistent lock-ins, you'll need to learn that pinch point in between your back wheels and tail, and since you're moving forward, your momentum will want to keep moving forward when you lock into your stall. So you will have to counterbalance that by leaning back on your tail foot and brace yourself by bending down so your tail stays aimed towards the ground. Having your tail down will create a larger stopping surface for you to smack your tail against. This will prevent you from riding over the parking stopper, ledge, or coping for your blunt tricks. Here are the simple steps for a nose grab blunt to rock on a parking stopper. Start by standing over top of the parking stopper. Hold the nose with your front hand and set your back foot on the tail into a drop-in position on the parking stopper. Bend down as you set your front foot on to balance on top while holding the nose. Keep holding the nose and begin to lean back gently as you hop hard to clear your back wheels from your lock-in. While in the air, lean your head forward to center it in between your feet and bend your knees down as you land into rock in the center of your skateboard. To add to this, you can learn to skate up to the parking stopper and ollie into your blunt stall, and then bend down, grab the nose, and hop into your rock and even try to kick turn off. For extra help, you can use your lead hand into a scoop motion to push your board up and under your feet as you hop. Here are the simple steps for a nose grab blunt to rock on coping. Drop in and quickly set your feet into ollie position in the flat bottom. Pump up with the same amount of speed as if you were going to rock to fakie. Just as your front wheels are about to hit the coping, gently press on the tail into a quick manual. Extend your pump up time while holding your manual and allow your legs to ride up and underneath of your body so that when you lock into your blunt, your knees are already bent. Now bend down and grab the nose just as you lock into your pinch point, which is located behind your back wheels and your tail on the coping. Slightly hop backwards towards the bottom of the ramp and use your front hand in a scoop motion to push your board up and underneath your feet as you pull your legs up under your body. Just as you hop, begin to lean your head over your front foot and extend your legs down into your rock. Land into your rock and bend down for extra stability. Lean back and push on the tail to clear your front wheels and pump back down the ramp. Here are the quick tips. Set up an ollie position. Your pump up to transition should be timed, so just as your back wheels lock into blunt, your body weight comes down to snap into a stable lock-in. Grab the nose of your board with your front hand and hop as you lean over your front foot. Let go of your grab land with your knees bent into rock, and rock out down the transition. Pro tips for this trick: practice your nose grab hop to rock on a parking stopper to build confidence first. Your goal for the best rhythm is to lock in and pop out with the same pace it takes for you to rock the fakie. This way you'll match the pump rhythm of the ramp and use gravity to your advantage, because if you stall out too long on the coping, it'll interrupt your rhythm and not feel as smooth. Here's how to bail. Lock into your blunt, grab the nose, yank out into your rock, jump off, run down the ramp and into your knee slide back down the quarter pipe. Here are some related trick ideas to inspire you for more combinations. For a beginner, blunt to rock and roll. Half cap blunt to rock. Blunt to backside 50-50. For intermediate, backside blunt, which is a blunt backside 180 in. Half cap blunt to fakie, which is a fakie 180 into your blunt and pop out. And blunt backside disaster. For advanced, frontside blunt, which is a blunt frontside 180 in. Ollie into your blunt to fakie. The skate term for this lesson is rhythm, which is a strong repeated pattern of movement. This is the key to a consistent blunt, just like an ollie on flat ground. Make sure you practice to build the same timing for your lock in and pop out with every try. Remember that this is a channel and we have many other videos to help you. Please click the blue skate heart logo to find all of our other videos. Please share this channel with your friends or anyone who would benefit from it, and they'll appreciate your consideration. We put a lot of time and love into making quality educational videos for you all. We even upload them for free to help more people around the world. So please send a donation to help us keep this channel alive. Donation details and other important information, including my board setup, are located in the description box below. Leave me your comments or represent your country. Include any questions you may have, your thoughts or feedback about this video, and ideas or lessons for future videos, so I can continue to do my best to help you reach your goals. I hope you were inspired by this video and gained a better understanding of skateboarding. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to meet me, JB, back here for more of your favorite skate park lessons.